walking down the streets, feeling the breeze, in the sunshine state where dreams come with ease. Palm trees swaying with the ocean in view. This is the place where I always feel brand new. Waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing.
Just arrived at hotels right now, tapi belum bisa check in karena check innya itu harus jam 3, sedangkan ini jam 9 pagi. We're in City Gate right now dan menemukan banyak makanan karena mallnya dibuka juga ternyata. Big House sama Shake Shack yang aku cari-cari sih kemarin. There's a lot of 7-Eleven in here.
All the bad ones. I remember when college seemed so important, but is it worth it? Then wondering what truly matters to me. I know for sure it's not a fancy degree.
Mau mencari sesuatu untuk beli sepertinya ya. Nggak tahu nih menemukan apa nanti di sini. Makan. Jadi makannya di Surabaya. Makan deh.
How long can you hold until your breath falls? It's been too long now. I think that
udah nggak kuat jalan guys. Kakiku kayak biasa sangat lemas dan lemah waktu lesu. We're back to City Gate. Barusan aku beli Crocs guys karena kaki aku sakit, terus aku ganti. Terus aku juga beliin papi sama adik aku. Hi, can I get 5 egg tart? It's cute. Now it's 7:30 and we're going to eat on the food opera again. We ordered this. It's like chicken something, I don't know. We ordered it from Burger. This morning we're going to Disneyland and we're in the Thankyou stations again. I said gongcha. There's gongcha, cuma nggak bisa minum deh kayaknya di sini. Jadi mungkin semoga pulang dari Disneyland bisa beli gongcha dulu ya. Gongcha. So cute, so cute. Yay! Story part, so cute. Frozen. Woohoo. Where is Tinkerbell? Where are you, Tinkerbell? Oh my god, so cute. Look at the queue, guys. Very, very long. Hey, this is what we're looking for. So pretty. Oh my god. I love this. Oh. Journey of Arendelle. Oh my god. Ah, I'm so excited. So pretty. But the queue won't. It takes long day. It takes a whole day. I'm so excited!
Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love that thawed a frozen heart.
And now they're best friends.
Indeed.
The Olaf thing, so cute. Look at this, guys. Lapar banget. Jadi mari kita mencari makan. Ini ada burger, ada kentang. Oh my god, sangat lapar. This is so cute. The burger is like Iron Man, Spider-Man, Groot, Captain America. Order the Groot burger one.
Focus on protection. Like
Yeah.
this. A prototype.
第二次掃描完畢，恭喜大家已經通過安全檢查，可以入去隨便參觀。Secondary
Somebody say Iron Man!
Iron Man.
Okay, let's make it happen. Take your time and be patient. There are a lot of you, and as we all know,
Di malam bagus banget. Kita benar-benar dari Disneyland buka sampai Disneyland tutup dan jadi sepi kayak begini.